not get out of here. Hey, this song is dedicated to. I wrote this song. It's called El Pacino. In Spanish, when you're like a godfather to somebody, you're called, El Padrino. So we kind of called it on a play of words El Pacino after Al Pacino, who played the Godfather likewise. But really, what it's about gun violence, and I hate gun. I hate the fact that we have weaponry to kill other people in this world. So I just feel like the world would be a better place if we didn't have any of that. Take it back to the old school and live to fight another day. You feel me? So this is for everybody, dedicated to all the children living in this world. Let's do this. I see. Pull it to get what I need. Young type, nobody to look over the breed. I'm fly, I'm in the street every night. I got my heat, give you all of what you got. Your cash, your money. I said, why would they want me to pull a gun away? And why would they want me to pull a gun away? Why would they want me to pull a gun away? I need a gun so I could feed my family. I have seen so much in a day. Why would they send me far away with a gun? With a gun. That's all, that's all, that's all. Everybody dead body, children acting like John Gotti. 6 bullet, pull it, then full it, running, screaming, you'll stop breathing. Are you heathing? Are you leaving? God believe your soul is leaving. Live by the gun and you die by the gun. Make another hole in the ground, catch one more. Why would they give me a gun? I don't know. And why would they want me to pull the trigger so? And why they give me gun, we killing little kids. I need a gun to feed my family, wanna live. I have seen so much in a day. Why would they send me far away? Now give me just what I need. Why they give me gun? Why do they give me gun? Yeah. Why they give